I will demonstrate you the 7 steps of Hajj. I have a pilgrim or Haji here. He is all ready to go to Hajj. He is wearing ihram. And now I will tell you how to do Hajj. We wear ihram and we make an intention. Then we travel to the Kaaba and we walk around it 7 times. Then we travel to the tents of Mina, and then we travel to Mount Arafah. And now we offer prayers in Muzdalifah. Allahu Akbar. And then we collect stones here. Then finally we stone the biggest one. After stoning the Jamarat, we perform Nahar. We sacrifice a halal animal, a sheep, a cow, a goat, a camel, etc. After we sacrifice an animal, men shave their entire head while women trim their hair. And this is Hajj Mubarak, and then we celebrate Eid.